curious learners, makers, doers, and leaders. This is the Barstow School, where teachers help children use their interests and strengths to develop their unique talents from the earliest years and building with each grade level, elective, and activity. We design individualized learning experiences that encourage students to chart their own course, instead of asking them to follow the same routine. They gain confidence, they are motivated, and challenged. When a student starts here, they can go anywhere. Barstow is known for innovation, academic excellence, and forward-thinking instruction. Nearly a decade of experience delivering online classes made us uniquely prepared to move from in-person to online learning in the spring of 2020 without missing a day of instruction. We already had a team of technology integration specialists in place to support students and faculty. Together, our tech team and teachers practice and refine their skills so that this year, students on campus and at home can focus on learning instead of struggling with technology. We reimagined classroom spaces and hallways for social distancing, took advantage of outdoor spaces to make more room, added swivel devices to create a seamless and synchronous classroom experience, and invested in hand sanitation stations, touchless water dispensers, UVC light equipment, and added facilities staff to keep our campus clean and safe. We are happy to be here for our students at drop-off, in the classrooms, online, anywhere families choose to learn. Because Barstow is a family, a community that enjoys traditions, cheers for our athletes, delights parents and grandparents with music and theater productions, celebrates accomplishments, and builds lasting connections from preschool through graduation. Our students have adapted to a new way of learning, our teachers to a new way of delivering hands-on, project-based content. But these things remain constant. Our teachers and students are resilient, resourceful, and always remarkable.